Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use automations in ClickUp to streamline your workflow, save time, and make sure your tasks move forward even when you're not watching them like a hawk. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a simple automation that automatically updates your task status, so you can just focus on what matters, instead of getting bogged down by repetitive manual actions. Alright, let's dive in together and walk through the process step by step. First, start by heading into your ClickUp workspace. This is your main hub where all your magic happens. If you're already logged in, you'll probably see your recent spaces and projects neatly laid out. If you're new to ClickUp, just take a moment to look around. Getting familiar with the workspace will help you feel more confident as you build automations later. Now we need to choose the specific task you want to automate. This could be something you work on daily, like a recurring to-do, a client follow-up, or even an internal deadline. Find the task in your list, folder, or board view. Clicking into it will open up all the details for this particular task, which is where we'll be working. Now let's look toward the top right of your screen. You'll notice a small lightning bolt icon up there. This is the Automations button. Think of this as the nerve center for anything you want ClickUp to do automatically for you. Clicking this will open up the automation panel and you'll start to see what's possible. Don't worry if you feel a little overwhelmed at first. Automations sound fancy, but ClickUp makes them surprisingly approachable. From here, go ahead and click the option that says Create Automation. It's usually highlighted to make getting started super simple. In this screen, you'll be able to set up the rules for your automation, what should trigger it, and what needs to happen when the trigger fires. For today's example, we'll focus on changing the status of your task automatically. Now you'll see an area labeled Change Status. Pause right here for a moment. This is the step that actually powers a lot of workflow momentum. Changing the status means your task moves from one phase to another, like from to-do to in progress. Automatically updating this can really help teams know at a glance what's actively being worked on, without anyone having to manually update it each time. So click into the Status dropdown and select In Progress. This tells ClickUp, when this automation is triggered, I want my task status to shift to In Progress. Maybe you want this to happen when you add a comment, move the task to another list, or anything else. For now, we're just setting the basics. It's a simple tweak, but it means less micromanaging for you and more time spent actually doing the work. Once you've set everything up, hit Create, that's it. In just a few clicks, you've built an automation that handles one of the most common repetitive actions in any project management system. It might take a few moments for ClickUp to confirm, but you'll soon see your automation listed and ready to roll. And that's all there is to it. Your workflow just got a whole lot smoother. Every time the conditions are met, your task will update its status automatically, keeping you organized and freeing you up for the important stuff. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want tips on more advanced automations, just drop a comment. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow ClickUp tutorials and practical productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.